The American Offshore saga continues. Getting some gel coat repair, finally. Project had to go on hold for a little while, although it's about 80% complete, but it's time to get, this is Cabasil in these holes, that's why it's white. We'll be spraying it with the color match. Stress crack, dock dings, lots of docking mishaps. Transom's okay. One spot on the transom right there where a bolt hole from the old outboards. Small repair there. Patch a couple of holes here for the new vent to go in. Engine's in there. Dirty as hell. This side had a lot of dock damage. You wouldn't think it would, being on the right side, but lots of damage throughout this side. I mean, that's a pretty big spot, you know. I mean, dang, you know, they make fenders. You know, you can put some fenders out and minimize this damage. Anyway, that's it. Should be getting sprayed today. We'll spray this whole side and spray 2 sections on the other side. Get the sanding and buffing. Hopefully that's it. Get this thing finished up over the winter. Hopefully it'll finally see some water. It's been about 3 years. We still got to rebuild the trailer. But baby steps, baby steps, baby steps. Almost done.